Hi, this is Jacob with RemoveVirus.org, and today we're going to be taking a look at cybersecurity and how to remove cybersecurity from your system. And this is basically, in a nutshell, what it looks like. It is a fake antivirus client. It's known as malware or a rogue security client. Most people end up getting infected via video codec, or somehow will have this installed on their system from a Trojan downloader. If you did not, were not tricked into installing this program, that means that you do have another Trojan on your computer that you need to get rid of in addition to this, and that'll be something else entirely. So we always do recommend you run a full security scan to remove any other threats on the system too as well. And we ourselves recommend Spyware Doctor with antivirus. We do have a coupon too on our website under the cybersecurity article. And before you ask any questions, be sure to read the guide there first. That's where we have all answers to most people's questions. So we usually don't even answer people's questions in YouTube. So here it is. Here's the cybersecurity one. Another deal for it. And here's the one of the fake warnings that you'll see from the system tray too as well. That'll pop up saying, "Hey, purchase this product." No, it's a bogus product. It's not real. It's a fake security shield down there. So let's go ahead and get started and take a look at what we have to do. One of the first things I recommend most people to do is go ahead and right-click on the cybersecurity icon on the desktop and select Properties. Under Properties, and this is going to be the same for Vista too, you're going to be able to see what that running process is, and in this case it's tsc.exe. However, some people may have it be a little bit different. In one of the versions that we downloaded, it was csc.exe for cybersecurity. This is a clone of Total Security Center or just Total Security, so that's why that happens, and this is another threat that comes up too as well. So let's go ahead and push down Control-Alt-Delete at the same time. We're going to end this current running process that's called tsc.exe. I'm just going to highlight that. I'm going to hit End Task, or End Process, yes. And right away that should terminate the program. And it did. Both the security shield went away down in the corner and everything like that, so we're good there. And then with this still open, let's go ahead and browse down to the /program files. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm hitting the Windows Start button. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that just because you should know. If you don't know, you shouldn't even be doing this. So program files, and I was looking for CS. So it's right there. If we look in there, there it is. We can right click on that and delete that. Yes. Go ahead and move back, delete that whole folder. CS, and if it's not named CS, look for something like Total Security Center, Total Security 2009. It has different variants out there. Alright, so with that done, it's a good idea to write these names down too on a sheet of paper just in case you need them for later reference. Go ahead and delete that icon on your system, and you're not quite done yet. There are some registry keys that we need to edit and remove. Now, always back up your registry first. We're going to go ahead and go to Run. Type in reg edit. Hit OK. And make sure you read our full disclaimer. Should be at the beginning of this website and on our beginning of this video and on our website itself. We cannot be held responsible for any actions you take regarding any information here. Editing the registry can be very dangerous, so unless you know what you're doing, don't do it. Pretty much that simple. So let's go ahead and find the key we're looking for here is going to be IE help mod mod.dll. Find next. Okay, you said you finished searching, but where is it? Let's try that again. And there we go. So IE help mod, it's going to be this one right here. I'm going to see it right there. That's the actual path location. So I'm actually going to copy down this path location too. And I'm going to delete this mod. Alright. And while I'm in here, There are a few other traces too as well that we have to browse down to, and I'm going to browse down to them right now. Okay, the key we ended up browsing down to is going to be under the H key current user, software, Microsoft, and we have this full path on our website too as well that generally helps people out. Windows current version, then under run, we're going to see it right there, that CS value, and we'll notice that that's the exact same file from that we deleted already. So that's telling basically, hey, start this program when your computer starts. Yes, delete that value. And I'm going under the run once. You may or may not have this here. I actually have something under my locals temp folder there. It's basically trying to ensure that, hey, this guy gets installed. Let's delete that too. And you may or may not have that one as well. And then there's one other key that I don't have on this computer. You're also in this run command. It may be something different there. That's why you should probably run full scan with any security suite out there. We like Spyro Doctor with antivirus. That's what we recommend. Or Malwarebytes, I like them too. Those guys are good. And that really is it for the cybersecurity. It's not too hard to remove for most. That's it. Like we said before, if you need more help or something, go ahead and head over to the removevirus.org website. Just do a search there for cybersecurity. We also would recommend you reset Internet Explorer if that's what you use. We have a tool to do that. Also, we have guides on how to do that. I would also download and use the host file. Let me see if our host file is infected. And with this particular threat, we didn't notice our host file being infected. If you notice that you're being redirected in the browser when you go to security site or you're trying to get updates and things like that, follow the process that we already said manually, and then go to the website, download our hosts fix. It's on the right hand sidebar of the blog there, and basically it'll reset this, and then go ahead and reset Internet Explorer 2 as well, and that should fully resolve that issue for you. And that is it. I hope it helped you guys out, and take care.